it's Leanne and Jeff, INSPIRADA TV. Got a beautiful home we're going to take a look at today. Very excited about this one.
It's 2662 Catania, and just last week I videoed this one, which is unbelievable, and I couldn't be more excited to do this one. These houses are amazing, even the front porch.
Cute front porch.
And it's important to note that this is your front. There's no traffic. It's all sidewalk. Leanne was just saying it feels like you're living in a city, urban city.
Yeah,
it's so
cool. Very unique.
Gorgeous green door.
Oh, sorry.
I have a feeling this house lives like a one-story. Oh boy.
Figuring out the lighting is always an issue.
Oh my gosh, a double island. This is like our dream house on steroids.
Yeah. Oh my
gosh,
I know. Look at that kitchen. Yes, okay. I could cook here. Or open delivery containers.
So look, it's so large, but yet still cozy. I love the smell in here.
This is listed at $879. It is 3,564 square foot. This is incredible. You have drawers and storage.
You could start your own cooking show contest.
You totally
bring in
totally
Chef Ramsay. Donkey! It smells good in here, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, it does. That is a great backsplash, too. I love the counters. This counter is darker, and then those are light. That's
nice
gorgeous.
Quartz. Yeah, dark quartz here, light quartz there. Really nice poles. So 5-burner cooktop, a GE monogram exhaust.
Oh my God.
42-inch uppers. Really good size pantry.
Oh yeah.
Does the fridge stay? Because it's gorgeous.
Yes, it does.
Okay.
I love these
really,
giant doors.
I like this little cubby for either the coffee maker or your mixer.
Or your
kind
wine.
of setup. It'd be easy to add, maybe a wine cooler over there. And just this dining area. Think of the table that you could have here.
Oh, you could go as big as you needed to. I mean, that's a great space.
But it still is so open to this.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a great floor plan. I love it.
And, pocket sliders.
Let's check out outside.
So you have this.
Oh, this patio
really
is
nice
amazing.
covered patio. Covered lights. I mean, the outdoor lights strung across. Some artificial grass.
Oh, they have a little shed back here even. That's awesome.
And plenty of room, I think, if you wanted to add a pool and have this area.
Or have activities.
Plenty of activities.
Plenty of room for activities.
Just look at this. Could you imagine entertaining with friends in a property like this?
Yeah.
It's...
Unfortunately for you, yes, I could.
But the double island really is so cool. Because you can do your dishes over there. You can still set up everything out here.
Oh my gosh. And this
We're
is
about in 1,000.
This is like a formal dining area. But
yeah, or you can make it an office or a den.
You could do so many things with this.
So
make it a playroom for my grandbabies.
Okay. And it does look like there's just 2 units to run this property.
And this was built in 2019. But I mean, it's new.
Yeah, it feels new.
Yeah.
It's a tri-point.
Half bath.
I love how tucked away the half bath is from
The activity room.
Yes.
Yeah. And that it's not off the kitchen, because that's one of my little pet peeves here in Vegas. But, okay, the primary is down here. This is the primary. Love the windows, looking out onto the courtyard.
I mean, this could be a forever home because it can live as a single story.
Yeah.
Even when your kids move on and move out.
Gorgeous barn doors in here.
And well done. You know, sometimes you see these homemade and they're kind of gyply, but this is not gyply.
Oh my goodness.
So, double closets. Really good size.
Oh my gosh. This is giant. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous.
Maybe we can get this up for the afternoon sun.
Wow, I love this. The flooring's gorgeous.
Got a bench seat here. This is the waiting area for the shower.
And I love that there's extra counter space over here.
That's really interesting.
Yeah. With a mirror, so you could use this as, you know, where you do your makeup.
Yeah, I've been so wowed with everything else. I mean, even the doors are amazing.
Yes. Spectacular.
Now, we've done this on flips that we've done where I've just added the groove that went all the way across, but I really like the look of the vertical line.
Yeah, this
great
is
hardware.
Amazing.
Oh boy.
And this is another barn door to the laundry. Oh yeah. Awesome laundry space. Yeah. Love that there's counter space where you can fold things and all of that.
Let's just jump out to the garage.
All right. Oh.
And watch your step. Oh, this is really cool.
So cute.
So water softener. So it's a tandem 3-car. Tankless water. So solar. We haven't even gotten to that.
Yes, there is solar here. Fully paid off.
Oh, solar owned.
So no shelling it out every month to NV Energy.
Yeah, to cool this house.
Yeah.
Okay.
Coat closet here.
Nice storage for...
It's a coat closet.
Wasn't sure if there was one up front that I missed.
No, there is not.
All right, we'll head upstairs. As always, please like and subscribe to our channel. We do this every week, more than 500 videos on our channel, all focused on Henderson, homes in Henderson, but mostly homes in Inspirada. So if you've been considering moving here, if you're from out of state, and a lot of people always hear, oh, I hear Henderson's nice. You need to really check into Inspirada.
I love this. How cute is this?
It is.
Like if you had a dog or little people that you didn't want coming up here. Perfect. Or if you wanted to travel.
Yes, or if you wanted to. I was thinking more about keeping them up. Okay.
This is a great area. I love those windows.
I do too.
Spectacular.
So symmetrical. I mean, if you're sitting here, TV on the wall. Okay. So dual sinks.
I love that there's a door in between the shower and toilet and the sinks.
And this house feels so clean. Not, you know, sometimes properties can look better in pictures, and then when you get there, you notice that there are a lot of rough edges. Well, there's no rough edges here.
No, it's in fabulous shape. Walk-in closet in this room.
So how many bedrooms total?
There are 4 bedrooms, plus the den, plus the loft.
So walk in. Maybe I'll lift this just to brighten it up for the next shots.
But my favorite thing is still the street.
Yeah,
I love it.
So we also filmed one a few doors down that way on Via Monet. So this street, these all back to Via Monet. That property closed just under 800,000. It was 2,600 square feet with a pool. Leanne's still crying that we
I love that house.
That
I love
house
all
was
of these
amazing.
houses.
And this also has central vac, which we didn't touch on.
Oh, yeah. That's so nice to have. You know, to drag the vacuum cleaner up.
I mean, we're 11 minutes into this, and we're still discovering and sharing things with you on this.
The good stuff.
You don't even need paint. You literally don't need a thing to move into this house.
Right.
Right.
Well, you do. You need
879,000.
879,000.
Oh yeah, well there's that little thing.
Oh my gosh!
And even the mountain views.
I know that 3564 is not small, but this feels even bigger than that. Like it just keeps going.
It does.
No,
and the fact that it lives as a single story down, and if you do have children, they can have their own wing up here. If they're teenagers, you may never want to see them anyways.
you don't see them anyway, no matter where you live.
Except for when they come to raid the fridge.
Right.
Okay, so this is the last bedroom. 4 bedrooms. And then even the mountain views.
Wow. Beautiful.
Out this way.
Wow.
Sun setting. Oh.
Beautiful.
And then we would have Sloan Canyon out
Yeah,
this
this
way.
listing isn't going to last. This is going to go fast. This is a great house.
All right. So we'll step in here.
Okay. I forgot that part.
Yes.
I was so excited about the
we're
house.
Done. We're done. This is one of my favorite houses.
For sure. For sure. Yes, I agree.
And we've seen a lot. So
We've seen a lot.
If you want to see this home, just reach out to me and Leanne. We are always available. Our website, homesinInspirada.com, has every listing from every brokerage. No need to search multiple sites. Please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.